friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Fort Saskatchewan, Alberta, a charming city with a rich history. Located just northeast of Edmonton, Fort Saskatchewan is nestled along the banks of the North Saskatchewan River. This picturesque location provides a beautiful backdrop for the city's many outdoor activities and events. The area where Fort Saskatchewan now stands has been inhabited for thousands of years, with Indigenous peoples being the first to call this region home. The city's name originates from a Northwest Mounted Police fort that was established in 1875. Over the years, it has grown from a small settlement into a thriving community with a strong industrial base, particularly in the petrochemical sector. Today, Fort Saskatchewan is known for its beautiful river valley trails, which offer residents and visitors alike a chance to enjoy nature and outdoor recreation. Whether you're exploring the historic downtown, enjoying the natural beauty of the river valley, or participating in one of the city's many community events, Fort Saskatchewan offers a warm and welcoming environment for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Fort Saskatchewan, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.